Hi, everyone. Welcome to the week 9 video lesson. I'm talking about argumentative essays, and this is just part 1 of the essay. So what I want to just quickly do also is show some really nice examples of Texas body paragraphs. I'm not going to read through these examples, but I'd like everyone to look through them if you're still thinking about how to write a paragraph. So just remember that a Texas body paragraph has a clear topic sentence, like this one. And then all Texas body paragraphs have evidence, which is like a quote or information from the reading. Here you can see this student uses like sort of quotes and summary as evidence. Then sometimes we can have an example, which is the next part, and then analysis, and then finally here's a summary sentence. So again, just all like sort of body paragraphs have a topic sentence, an evidence sentence, an example sentence, an analysis or opinion sentence, and a summary sentence. So here are two different example body paragraphs you can look at for your argumentative essay. There were many, many great examples of Texas paragraphs. I just don't have time to talk about all of them. So please just try and look at these two for help. What I'd like to talk about right now is when you write an essay, especially an argumentative essay, where you should state an opinion in your introduction. The introduction paragraph is very important. So I just want everyone to think for a second, when you're writing an essay, especially like an argument essay, an argumentative essay, what should go in the introduction paragraph? What are the most important things to include? So if you come here, you'll see that here is sort of a about a 5-sentence plan for an introduction. So the first thing you want to do is try to write 1 or 2 sentences that generally introduce the topic. So if we're all writing about education, so you might have 1 sentence that just gets the reader, the person who's reading your essay, to really understand that your essay is about education. So this sentence should usually be general and understandable for most people. Something like, education is an important part of our society because it helps everyone learn how to be more responsible people. I don't know, something about why education is important or why we want to talk about education. And that's fine if you want to have 2 sentences that introduce your essay. Then I think it's really important to have, when we are writing an argumentative essay, it's really important to have a main idea sentence, or what we also call this as a thesis statement, or I also say main idea. So here's an example. College should be free, so everyone can have access to a good education and career. So that's not a fact, that's an opinion, right? Not everyone agrees that college should be free. Or we might say, the best way to educate students is to let them develop their own interests and knowledge. Teachers and schools should provide opportunities for students to choose what they're interested in. So this is like a 2-sentence main idea. And then finally, you can tell the person reading your essay what's going to happen in the essay. So this sentence might be something like, in this essay, I will first discuss why college should be free, and then say how the government will pay for it. So again, everyone, here is an example of how to write an introduction paragraph, 1 to 2 sentences to introduce the topic, 1 to 2 sentences to explain your main idea or your argument, and 1 to 2 sentences to show the plan of your essay, show the reader what's going to happen in your essay. The first part I will discuss this, and the second part I will discuss that. So introduction paragraphs could be something like 4 to 6 sentences. Here is an example of an introduction paragraph. They have a title, and let's see that their introduction sentence also introduces the reading with the author, and here they have an opinion sentence, and maybe this is not exactly a planned sentence, but you can see that this introduction sort of introduces the essay with the author. They explain a little bit of it, and then they give their opinion right here. And then they sort of give a little bit more information about what the essay is about. Here's another introduction paragraph with a completely different topic. Maybe I'll let you read that if you'd like to for help. And finally, please remember that your title, you should have a title for your essay. And your title should represent the main idea in your introduction or your opinion. So a title could be something like Make College Free Now, or Let Students Be Themselves. So here is the review of this little mini lesson. And I just want to go quickly to this week's assignment, everyone. So for this week, I'd like you to write the first part of your argumentative essay. Everyone, we're just practicing. This is not like the final essay, the final draft. So this is practice, and we will have more time to edit and revise this in the first few weeks. I also want to say that if you have written some paragraphs that you like from before, you can take your previous writing and you can revise them and add them to this essay. So everyone, please feel free to use the writing you did before in your other writing assignments to integrate into this assignment. I just want to say, for example, let's see. When we go to this, the actual instructions of the essay, everyone, please see that for this week, I just want you to write the title for your essay, an introduction paragraph, and one body paragraph. You can choose these two different topics. So your essay could be about what is the best way to educate students, or your essay could be about should college be free? So you have two different essay questions to choose from. And please follow all these instructions, and also see that you can use these different videos and articles for your essay. When you click on this document, this is where you can write your essay, right? You can put your name, the title, the paragraph, and the paragraphs. So please let me know if you have any questions, everyone. I wish you great luck. Everyone's doing a great job. I really, really love what everyone's doing in the stream. Students are really like commenting on each other's posts and talking and explaining and learning from each other. So this is amazing. Have a great week, everyone, and thank you for your hard work.